أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم صل على محمد وعلى محمد. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'ah wa rizqan tayyibah wa amalan mutaqabbala. Get free books from the link given below. So let's get started with chapter number 3 from book 2. The first question is about simplifying the numbers and the variables, adding up all the like terms together and write down the answer. Now, since you know from the previous classes, negative times negative gives plus sign, so here we go. Plus 11 is x squared. So add up all of the like terms here. X squared plus 11x squared will be 12x squared. Similarly, 2x minus 5x is minus 3x. And negative 7, negative 1 gives us negative 8. Second question, similar to the first question. We get minus 5 square minus 11y. Similarly, if we are going to multiply negative with the parenthesis given here, we get negative x squared plus 10x, and add up all of the like terms together, we get 4x squared plus 9x, because negative x plus 10x is 9x. Okay, moving ahead, we have the next question, that is negative with the parenthesis 4x squared plus 9x plus 2 plus 3x squared minus 7x plus 2. Put all the like terms together and add them up. We get minus x squared minus 16x. So just pause the video. And write down your answer. Now this one is quite easy question. 12 times 5 is 60x. And when we multiply the variables, we get their exponents and add exponents added up. Please do let me know if you find any mistake in this presentation. 5 times 3 is 15x squared, and x times x squared, of course. 5 times 4 is 20x. We have to multiply all of the numbers and the variables and add them up whenever there are the like. So now we have simplified this question. It's quite easy. This is quite easy. 8 plus 5 is 13, plus 12 plus 15 is 27. Moving ahead, we are going to solve the next question. It's similar to the first one. That's minus 33b plus 63. Now we have the question with the variables inside the parentheses. You have to multiply the variables with the variables inside the parentheses. And after that, we have to add the like terms. Now here we have two parentheses. Now we have to solve one by one. Like if we want to multiply the first number with the second variable, how can we solve it? So we have here x plus 3 inside the parentheses or brackets multiplied by x plus 7. Now we have to multiply x with the entire expression, x plus x times x plus 7. Now we have to multiply plus 3 times x plus 7. Now very first we have to multiply x with x, that gives us x squared plus, now we get x times x 7x. Similarly, we get x times 3x. 3 times 7 gives us 21. Now we have two like terms here, 7x plus 3x, x squared plus 7 plus 3 gives us 10. So we got 10x squared. Sorry, we got x squared plus 10x plus 21. Isn't that easy? Of course it is. So we got 10x squared plus 10x plus 21. Similarly, we are going to solve the second question. It's similar to the first one, and after solving it, after simplifying it, we get the answer 12x squared plus 23x plus 5. Just pause the video please for getting the solution. 1 times 5, so add up all of the like terms. 28 plus 2 is 23. This one is quite easy, and you just have to multiply the numbers of the variables in parentheses and add up all of the like terms whenever they are required to be added up. Similarly, 2 times 7 gives us 14c, and c times c gives us c squared. So the variables with c squared will be added together or summed up together, and the variables without a square or without higher power will be added together if they are like terms. Just pause the video, please pause the video. All of the questions are similar. If you have any question or query, you can ask them in chat box or in comment box. Okay, it's not a chat box over here. You have to ask in comment box. This one is quite easy. It's similar to the period one. A times a minus 9 plus 1 times a minus 9. We get a squared. A times 9 gives us 9a. Plus 1 times a is of course a minus 9. Add up all of the like terms. Minus 9 plus 1 give us minus 8a minus 9. Now we are done with the like terms. Let's get ahead. B squared minus 1. So we are going to solve next question. That's about what? It's about the variables in parentheses or the brackets. Please pause the video and get your answers. Similarly, we got minus 7f squared plus f plus 6. Similarly, we are going to simplify it and we get the answer. Why? It should be 40 minus 66. Yeah, it is. 5 plus 3 is squared. What times it? Now you can pause the video and solve it, simplify it. Now, first of all, we have to simplify the parentheses. After that, we have to keep all of the like terms together and add them. 2x times 2 is 2x. 2x times 1 is 2x. Now, 3x squared 2 minus 25x plus 2 is 13. Now you see minus 27 plus 2 gives gives us minus 25 plus 2. 25 plus 2 gives us minus 23. Okay, so let's move ahead. We have to complete all of the parentheses first and then add all of the items later on. X times 9 gives us 9x, minus 4 times 9 gives us minus 36. Add up all of the numbers, add up all of the variables with the same power or with the same exponent. Like we have to add like terms first with the higher order and then lower order. Now here we have a question at advanced level. Whenever there is negative sign before parentheses, we have to keep the parentheses before simplifying, like before completely simplifying all of the numbers. Just keep the parentheses after the negative sign. After simplifying it, just multiply negative sign with all of the variables inside the parentheses, and then add them up with the like terms. Negative times negative gives us positive 5x, positive 4, and we get the answer. Similarly, we have here a negative term, negative number before the parentheses. Simplify the numbers inside the parentheses and then solve one by one. We have 35 minus 5x here, minus 2x squared plus 14x minus 5. It gives us 9x plus 35, and then multiply negative sign inside the parentheses and solve them up. Simplify them by adding like terms. Similarly, to simplify it, just pause the video and do let me know if there is any mistake. For example, minus negative plus 5x plus 4. Negative times negative gives us positive. Negative times. Add up all of the similar terms with 7x squared plus 27x plus. Similarly, we get the answer from this question. So, exercise 3a is over now. After multiplication and the variables, we are going to simplify exercise 3b. Let's get started with it. Now here we are going to solve or simplify by using factorization method. We have to factorize the numbers. Now we have a squared plus 9a plus 8 here. So we have to get the factors of 8 so that we can get a number, the middle number, the number that is mentioned here in midterm. So we have to break the midterm so that we get the answer. Since 8 and 1 are two factors, when they are added up we get 9, and when they are multiplied we get 8. Similarly, we have the second question. Now we have to find out the factors of 15. These are 5 and 3. When they are added up, we get 8. And after that, we have to get the highest common factor, HCF, so that we get the answer after factorizing the numbers. Now we have the factors of 15, 3 and 5. When we add them up, we get 8. And when we multiply them, we get 15. Okay. Now we have 3b over here and 5b over here. The common between b squared plus 3b is b. So we get b plus 3, and common between 5b plus 15 is 5. We get b plus 3. Now b plus 3 is common and b plus 5 is command. So we have the factors. Now the factors of 20 are 5 and 4, even though there are other factors, but we have to get the number that's mentioned between two variables, between the variable and the number, that is 9c. So the factors are 5c and 4c. Since it is a negative number, so write them up in negative form. The factors of 28, 14 and 2. The factors of 16, so if we add them up or if we subtract them, we get 6. That is add f minus 2f. F is common here, f plus 8. And similarly, we are going to simplify another question. Please pause the video and get your answers. The factors of 12 are minus 6k plus 2k. So the final answer is k minus 6 into k plus 2. The factors are 21 and 1. The answers are m minus 21 to m plus 1. The factors are, now we have the number here. So you have to multiply the number 4 with 3, since it is different number, because we have here 4p squared plus 8p plus 3. We have to multiply 4 with 3 first, so that we get the number, and we are going to find out factors of that number. 12, the factors of 12, if we find all of the factors of 12, we get 2, 2 and 3. Now, how can we find 2 factors, since we have 4 and 3 also the factors of 12? But if we add 4 and 3, we get 7. But we want to find out number 8. So, if we multiply 2 with 3, we get 6. And the rest number is 2. So 6 plus 2 gives us 8, and 6 times 2 gives us 12. Therefore, the numbers are 6 and 2, and we have to keep all of the factors common, the highest common factor. Similarly, we have to multiply 6 with 12, and we get the answer 72. Now, we have to find out factors of 72. Just think for a while, what are the numbers? If we add them up, they give us 17. But if we multiply them, they give us 72. Those are 8 and 9. So that's easy. Let's move ahead. These questions are so easy. Minus 4x plus minus 3r. Now just pause the video for a while and get your answers. And try to understand all of the answers. 6 times 20. 120. You get the number that is in middle. That is a middle term. And we have to break down the middle term so that we can get the answer. Intermediate level just started. So you got the answer. Now we have the common numbers first. 2 is common number, and here we have 5 common number. Therefore, if there are the factors that can be divided by all of the terms, so just divide them out first and then find out the factors. Just pause the video and of course get your answers. That's it. We are done with the chapter 3. Congratulations, you have completed the entire video and you have learned about simplification and factorization. Thank you so much for watching. We have to find out the factors of x squared plus 8x plus 12. Please subscribe, like, and share. Have a great day. Assalamu alaikum. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.